Hi, I'm Dr. Stacy Burke from West Coast Family Chiropractic. One of the most common questions that we get in our office is, why do my joints pop and crack? Well, basically your joints aren't popping and cracking, but what could be happening is that they're making what's called an audible release. Your joints have fluid and gases in them, hydrogen, oxygen, the basic fluids of life that maintain the nutrition and health of the joint. When those joints are mobilized or stretched beyond their range of motion, it can create a vacuum effect, forcing that gas to be released from the joint and giving that popping sound when that motion occurs. It's not necessarily the sign of anything bad, and in often cases, the more mobility you have in those joints, the greater the health of the joint and the less likelihood of any further damaging happening.